JohnnyJans here, and today is a big day because today we are meandering around some home screen repair. Come join me, I'm gonna go figure this out. Meandering around! So if you check this out right here, you can see there's some damage to my my screen porch here in the home screen, and I don't know what on the earth could have caused this damage. Just gonna tell you folks at home what you'll need to begin this project. So the first thing you're gonna need is, of course, some screen that you're gonna buy to make your repairs, but you're also gonna need this stuff. This stuff is called spline. That's gonna go in between the frame and the screen and really hold your screen together. So I recommend that you'll get a lot of spline. And most important, you cannot do this job without this tool here, because this is what's going to run the spline in between the screen and the frame. I got the tools, and I'm going to figure this out, how to replace a screen. So we're going to learn something today. Let's do this. First, I'm going to pop out this the rubber strip as best I can. And you want to work a screwdriver in there. You can see it's really tight and weathered. Sometimes in the Florida heat, it gets loose, but that's not the case today, because it's a calm 77 degrees. Don't worry, I'm gonna get this. Oh, I wish I had some solder. All right, here we go. And now it's getting looser. There we go. Now see, I cracked the strip, and then once you get the strip cracked, it's gonna peel off like butter. Look at that. It's good. As you can see, I made some minor altercations trying to tape this together. Found out it didn't work. Use some masking tape there, some duct tape, and some solder. It didn't seem to want to work. But it's okay, because we got new screens and we're doing that today. And we're gonna make this happen. Now, I popped out that stripping, so here's the fun part. Now, we're just gonna rip out the screen. So what you wanna do when you rip this out, just don't go crazy on it. You wanna start at the top and gently start to rip the screen out. And as you see, it's just coming out beautifully. Look at that. That's some quality screen ripping right there. Nice, just taking it all out. Getting this old screen done with. And I still have some stripping in here. I guess I'm supposed to take that out too. It's gonna help get some of that tape off. How you doing with that? Doing all right. Cool. Okay, good. We got the old screen. We're gonna chuck that to the side. Now we're gonna do some measuring.
No, we already measured it.
Good. Measuring's done.
I like to do extra measuring just in case. Don't worry.
You're gonna take your spline and you're gonna measure it for length. And just make sure that you have the right length going on here. And yeah, it looks like it can be right here. Then we're gonna make a cut. So now we know we have the right length of spline, and we're gonna use that to infuse it with the screen later. What I'm doing now, I'm taking the screen and I measured it out and just making sure it's gonna fit on my hole here in my screen. You wanna leave yourself 2 inches of where you're gonna apply the screen, like 2 extra inches. So whatever you measure the width of your screen, the length of your screen, leave 2 extra inches, because you're gonna cut that later to make it fit onto your hole. So now I'm gonna take my screen tool and I'm going to run the spline in between the crack, careful not to put a hole through my screen. This tool, by the way, I got from Home Depot. It's got 2 sides. I recommend the ones with 2 sides because it's got the grooved side circle and the flat end. Both you're gonna use. I know I'm using the groove side just to get the spleen in right now. Now the biggest secret to the screen is you wanna pull it tight before you put that spline in so you don't have any air bubbles.
Did somebody say bubbles?
All right, so we just got the screen in place, finished that. Again, the trickiest part is you just gotta get that spline in there real nice. It's really tedious to just go slow and you'll do a good job. Again, I'm not perfect, but I'm JohnnyJans, so we did a good job. Now, here comes my favorite part. I get to take the razor knife and I'm gonna cut off all these edges here. So we're gonna do that right now. How about a little cutting montage for me? Look at this. 2 wonderful, flawless screens. Amazing. I did that. It was a good day. We did it. Mission complete. Screens installed, folks. Wow, what a great day. I got my screens done. That is amazing. I got fresh screens. I didn't think that I could do it, but look, I did. Just goes to show you, you never know what you can do unless you try. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. And remember, until next time, I'll catch you out there meandering around.